One of Iran's most prominent actors posted an image of herself on social media on Wednesday without the headscarf mandatory for women in the Islamic Republic. Taraneh Al-Dosti's apparent act of defiance comes as weeks of protests have rocked the country since the death of Mahsa Amini. The 22-year-old died after she was arrested by morality police in Tehran for allegedly violating Iran's strict rules requiring women to cover their hair with the hijab or Islamic headscarf. Since then, many women have openly come out taking off their hijabs, chopping off their hair, and protesting on the streets. Miss Ali Dosti is one of Iran's most successful actresses and has more than 8 million followers on Instagram. She starred in The Salesman, which won an Academy Award in 2016 for the Best International Feature Film. She has previously vowed to remain inside Iran at any price and has paused her career to support the families of those killed in the security forces clamped down on demonstrators. "I am the one who stays here and I have no intention of leaving," said the 38-year-old, denying having any foreign passport or residence. She now posted the image of herself with her head uncovered on her official Instagram account. She held a Kurdish language slogan of the protest movement reading Jin, Jian, Azadi, Woman, Life, Freedom. Ali Dosti has a prominent presence on the Iranian cinema scene since her teens and also starred in the recent movie by acclaimed director Saeed Rustai, Leela's Brothers, which was shown at this year's Cannes Festival. She is known as a forthright defender of women's rights and wider human rights in Iran. When major protests rocked the country in November 2019, Ali Dosti declared that Iranians were millions of captives rather than citizens. The star's post is the latest gesture of support by leading figures in the arts and sports of Iran. Last month, Iranian star footballer Sardar Azmoun backed demonstrators amid increasing violence from the government. The Bayern Leverkusen, the footballer condemned security forces in an Instagram story saying, "Shame on you for easily killing the people and vibrant women of Iran. Long live Iranian women." Local human rights activists say that at least 328 people have been killed, 14,800 others have been detained in Iran till now since the protests rocked the country.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.